Hi everyone, my name is Kyle. I'm here with Makers Mercantile to talk with you about all the stuff in today's newsletter. So we're going to dive right in and first talk about a yarn. So this yarn is called Uneek Fingering. It's from a company called Earth Yarns. It's based in Turkey. And this yarn is look how pretty this is. It is a merino, so 100% extra fine merino. It is 435 yards and 100 gram hank, and this is a fun self-striping yarn. It is so soft, and I can't wait for you to try this because it's just such fun to work with. So we have a lot of different colors I can show you. I want to run through them real quick. This one is color 3026. I'm just going to show you a few. You can check out all of them on our website. This is 3025. It would be perfect for our Seahawks fans, our Seattle Seahawks fans. And I wonder what other teams are green and blue. You can let me know. That is 3025. Then we have, this is 3014. And this one is sort of colors of berries and things, 3005. There's that one. And then a fun neutral, which of course, surprise, Kyle likes the neutral one, 3006. And it's neutral, but it has lots of different colors inside there. There's that little tiny hint of that sort of mossy green yellow color in there that's really pretty. I love it. But what do you make with just one hank? So we have two options for you, a knit and a crochet option. The knit option is this one here. This is the Anica shawl. And the Anica shawl is a one hank project. You can see the little bit of detail there at the bottom. And it is a simple striped project. So a very simple type of thing that you can use for TV knitting, you know, my favorite thing to do. And just one hank will get you this little kerchief style project. This is in color 3026 if you happen to love this particular colorway. And I'll throw that back on there. And for our crochet folks, are you gonna be there? Okay, you're fine. For our crochet folks, this is just so cute. Look how tiny this is. This is called the Squared Up, and Squared Up is a little baby jacket. Uses, again, just one hank of this self-striping yarn, and look how fun it is in crochet, these sort of little granny squares that make these little tiny arms. I love this. I think it's adorable. So I think also anyone who is fairly comfortable with crochet, you know, they know the very simple basic stitches. If you can make a granny square, you most likely will be able to make this as well. And same with knitting on this one. If you know how to do very basic stitches, this is a fantastic project for you to tackle. So now through Friday, if you purchase a hank of the Uneek Fingering, whichever color your heart desires, we will give you either the knit or the crochet pattern. We'll just print a copy and include it in your order as we ship it out. So check that out. That is the Uneek Fingering now through Friday. That's that. The second thing on my list of stuff to talk about is the Addy Click. Here we go, Addy Click interchangeable sets. So this is the 𝗁𝗶𝗄. The 𝗁𝗶𝗄 is a patented sort of click-in system, and lots of people have seen these, but I want to take a second and show you how it works. So the set itself comes in this case here. There's a zipper on the back, and inside here, inside this little pocket, are the cords and also a needle gauge. Where's the needle gauge? Come out of here. Needle gauge, which also has, this measures 2 inches, and the needle gauge shows the US and then the millimeter equivalents. It also has inside it the Addy grips. So you'll get a little package with 2 of the little Addy grips. I'll show you what that is in just a second. And inside, you're gonna get a bunch of needles, of course, because that's what the click set is, right? So you're gonna get the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, and 15 needle sizes. And you also get a little connector. So there's that connector, which just, you can click into either side. So let's say you're finishing a project, you're in the middle of a project, you wanna start something else, and you need to take the needles out of that project that's being paused. you can remove the needle and replace the needle, put the cord into this connector on either side, and it will make sort of a ring out of the click cord and let you leave your project on pause without losing any stitches. And then once you're done using those needle tips, you can put them back onto the project and go back to it. So that is how that works. I'm gonna grab one of these needles out of here. This is a size 10, and you can see the tip is a really nice tip. It is not the sharpest tip, so it's not a super sharp tip, which is really great for some folks, and I think it works really well for all kinds of knitting. And the way to use the click set, how do you get the cord attached to the needle? Well, it's really easy. So what you do is, here is the needle tip, and here is the end of the cord, and I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a little, you can rock this back and forth. It sort of like clicks in place, and there's a point where there's a spring inside here, and you'll be able to feel the spring. So you push in and twist it, and that holds the cord in place, and you're ready to go on your knitting adventure. So if the squeezing and pushing and twisting of the cord is difficult, sometimes people have, arthritis or something like that, you can use the Addy grip, this little guy here, and when you hold on to that, it just gives it a little more grip, because it's a grip, right? So to take it out, you just untwist it the other way and pull out, and the cord comes off of the tip, and you can change it or put them away, whatever you want to do. So the Addy Click Turbo sets also come with 3 different cords, the 24-inch, 32 and 40-inch cord. They have a lifeline. The lifeline is this little, let's see if I can show you. It is a little tiny slit right here, hard to see, there it is, where you can put like a piece of dental floss or embroidery thread to get a lifeline into a project. It comes with all the other stuff I talked about, and of course the case. And since we are one of the authorized dealers of Addy products, it also comes with that guarantee of if something goes wrong with it, you just reach out to us and we help take care of whatever the issue might be. So now through Friday, again, we're gonna do stuff through Friday. I'm gonna offer you 20% off of the Addy Click Turbo set. So if you have been waiting for an opportunity to grab one of these amazing sets, now is the time. Of course, in the contiguous US, so the United States, the 48 states, we ship for free, orders over $75, so we'd even be covering the shipping for you. So grab that if you are interested in getting one of these interchangeable sets. Other stuff to talk about, the knit box. So the knit box for June has come out. It has reached a lot of our subscribers, and we're getting a lot of emails from people all excited about all the stuff inside that box. If you're interested in seeing what's in that box, you want to watch the video. It is in the newsletter. You can scroll down and see it, or if you're on YouTube or somewhere else, you can check our YouTube channel and see the unboxing video. I can show you, just show you one little thing, which is the project. So the sock is the project for this this month's box, and the yarn is 𝗁𝗁𝗀𝗀 sock yarn. So, and you know that 𝗁𝗁𝗀𝗀 sock and the other 𝗁𝗁𝗀𝗀 yarns are a knitted undyed tube of yarn that gets dyed. Well, in this case, we had some fun, and we dyed some self-striping sock yarn for our friends in our subscription box. So if you're interested in signing up for the knit box, you can do that and start in July and get the box. If you're interested in getting the June box, there are a few left, so grab those while you can. Again, the June knit box is out, and it's very exciting. Other stuff. So in the dye lab, we have two new colors of yarn. So I should just show them one at a time, I suppose. This is called California Poppy. And the yarn base is Madrona. So here's California Poppy. And this one is called Thunderstorm. And you can see very carefully, I think, if I turn it slowly, you can see sort of those purples and blues. It's really gorgeous. You could take this this Madrona that's been dyed by us and pair it with any of the other colors of Madrona and create your own patterned or striped piece. All of the Madrona yarns have 460 yards in them, so you could check out those and grab them while you can. Of course, the stocked colors of Madrona we have plenty of. There's very limited stock of the yarns from the Dye Lab. What else? Last thing I'll mention here tonight is Maker's Night is tonight at 5 o'clock Pacific Daylight Time. We are going to be hanging out with Val Curtis, and we're going to be learning a little bit about the legacy of Cat Bordhi and what Val has been doing and is doing to help keep Cat's legacy alive, including releasing patterns that are in various stages of development and release, and learning about a little more about that story and their relationship, which will be very exciting to get to see. So we hope you will join us for that. That's Maker's Night tonight, Tuesday, 5 to 6 Pacific Daylight Time. I think I covered it all. So it is a beautiful day here in Seattle. We hope that you are having fun wherever you are. Make sure you take time for yourself to do something fun and creative. Reach out to your friends and family, and we will see you again on Friday with another fun adventure. So have a great week, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.